Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're all having a great weekend. So once again, we're working on the Jeep. This time, the hood won't shut because I snapped the cable inside. So instead of replacing the cable, what I'm gonna actually do is drill a couple holes and run some hood pins. So stay tuned. Okay, so my guess is I'm gonna have to pull the front header grill back off again. And I'm thinking I want to run them right here, so that way I can also keep the spring in there, so that way it'll bounce it, bounce it back up. But so I'm gonna start by taking off the front end, which I really don't want to do, but anyways, we'll yank that back off, and then, like I said, try to figure out how to get this off of here, and then I'm most likely gonna have to probably cut that, and then I'm thinking maybe we'll just remove these and drill the holes through possibly this dimple right here. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I cut these two brackets off right here, which is where the hood would latch, or yeah, the latch will actually hook around. So that's out of the way, but I kept the spring so that way there's tension on the hood. So it doesn't just fall in between the grill and I won't be able to pull it up. So we'll put both these back on, and then we'll take the latches off of the hood, and then we'll install the hood pins. Alright, so we got Matthew over here helping me drill holes. You guys probably don't know this, but Matthew's been drilling holes for 82 years now.
82 years.
Right,
Remember my daddy taught me.
Right there, as if it was made for it. Just perfect. Let's see if this size fits. And it does. Comes right through the bottom. And we might have to widen that hole a little bit. Who knows, maybe. We will see. Alright guys, so quick update. We obviously got these in. I just drilled the hole here and here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to close the hood to try to put an indent on the top side. So that way I can try to get it as straight as possible. Alright, I'll update you after that. Alright, so I got everything pretty much done except for bolting these down, and this actually comes with a polished side and then the raw metal I'm PCing. I actually like the raw metal side more, so I'm gonna put that down. And a while back I bought these lynch pins, so I'm gonna be running these instead of the other pins that come with them. So I'm gonna get that installed. Show you guys how it looks after the front end gets put back together. I got everything put back together. To be honest, they do not look bad on there. So I did use self-tapping screws instead of the small ones that came with it on both sides. And this is the hardware that came with it, so I'm not really a big fan of these. Also, these little stainless, whatever, Phillips are very weak. I used it on my other car and they actually all broke off within a couple weeks, so I'm hoping that the self-tappers will stay in better. But there she is. And also in this box here I have the fender flares, so those should be either tonight or tomorrow. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Once we hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to do the $100 giveaway. If you guys like the videos, give me a thumb up. If you guys don't like the video, give me a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. Let's hit that 250 subscribers so I can do that $100 giveaway. Also, if you guys know anything going on, any kind of mudding, trails, anything like that around the Portland area, comment down below. Let me know, and I'll try to show up to some of those. And we'll see how well the Jeep does. So until the next video, I'll see you then. Hello, bonus footage for you guys. So we're going cat back, cutting off the cat back. What does it look like over there?
I can't cut that hanger off.
Is it on like a...
Well, I guess I can.
Okay. Well, if we could just take the hanger off,
You have a ton of bushing.
that'd be good. But if not, just cut it off. I don't care. But yeah, whoever had it before me did the best job at welding. I mean, you can see all that. So eventually, I plan on doing the header back anyways. So we'll see. See what happens.
All right, where's my phone?
Yeah.
I can't see shit.
Here's your phone. Alright guys, so after we get this part off, I'll give it a start and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, I don't know how well you guys can see me, but we got basically from the cat back, we cut it all off. I still have the cat on there. Like I said, I'm going to want to run new exhaust piping anyways, so I'm going to start it up and see how it sounds. Well, it sounds the same, so I don't think it's much louder.